Hello, to turn on eye comfort light on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here go for the display and brightness, and right here we have the eye comfort and sleep. So let's go in there, and here is the eye comfort, and we have the switch to turn it on. And from here we can adjust the schedule, we can set up the schedule for the eye comfort to turn on at, for example, let's say 10 a.m. and turn off tomorrow at 7 a.m. And here is the schedule. Here we can also change the screen color temperature, and we can also set up the paper texture. Here I also have the display effects, and we can toggle the color or the black and white effect, just like this. So yeah, that's how to basically turn on the screen color mode, and we can also do the same operation. Let me just actually quickly turn off these display effects. And we can also do this by going into this quick settings panel, and here we have the eye comfort button, just like this, to quickly turn it on or off. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.